Luz Veninda's Cafe, your new comfort food spot. From breakfast to dinner, we've got your cravings covered with delicious pasta, rice meals, fresh pastries, and handcrafted coffee. Lutong bahay vibes with a cafe twist. Perfect for solo moments or tambay with friends. Open daily from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. beside Luz Veninda's Event Center sa Vergara Highway. Luz Veninda's Cafe, kung saan ang bawat kain at kape may halong pagmamahal.
You're listening to the number one hit music station. 101.5 Sound FM.
Proud to be a founding member of KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Celebrating 52 years of connecting voices and visions.